Advocate Shoma Majumdar is appearing.
For
He's
the-
on his legs before to court number
For whom is he appearing?
for the petitioners.
For the petitioners.
Yes.
What is the matter?
Lordship, the matter is, your Lordships directed the West Bengal Madrasa Service Commission to conclude the counseling process in terms of, Lordship, the earlier order of selection process of 2011 by 16. 16th was the deadline. Now, Lordship, what happened? Lordship, the Honorable Supreme Court challenging an order of this committee, several writ petitions are pending before the Honorable Supreme Court. Now, Honorable Supreme Court has passed a restraining order that though candidates which have been already appointed in the post in question as well as teaching and non-teaching, this shall not be disturbed. Now, from the concerned madrasa, letters have been issued to us that several madrasa appointment of, Lordship, the Group D and teaching and non-teaching staff, they are under consideration before the Honorable Supreme Court. Already stay has been granted. So, Lordship, we have make out a clarification application of your Lordship's order dated 25th November 2024. Now, clarification application I have served to the learned advocate for the petitioner. So, Lordship, before going to the merit of the petition,
What exactly do you want to be clarified?
Clarify that, Lordship, at present we are unable to conduct the counseling process of those madrasa because already Supreme Court has passed an interim order that their service shall not be disturbed.
Then where is the question of disturbing the service of somebody who has already been appointed?
Some candidates of the concerned madrasa who have been appointed by the managing committee in the Group D post, their writ petition pending before the Honorable Supreme Court and the interim order has been passed. I have annexed the interim order also.
And my lord, the Honorable Coordinate Bench also, my lord, restrained the commission from conducting the selection process till 31st January of 2024, my lord.
So that is there. What is there to clarify?
No, my lord, by earlier order directed the commission to publish their panel.
No. Your Lordship directed us to conclude the counseling process. That's why we have to recommend the person. Now, Lordship, those madrasa which we are going to recommend.
Did you publish the list of the
yes, final
eligible
panel has been
candidates?
passed.
Oh my God. That has been conducted, including the 73,000 candidate that has been challenged.
That is the challenge. We have
That is the matter of the
final
challenge in this
Not panel.
writ petition.
Yes,
But
that was
we have
not
published the final panel.
That
Should
should
not
not-
be the fact. I have
That should not be done, my lord.
But the 5th August 2024 notification issued by the commission directing for the purpose of counseling of 73,000 candidate has been stated by this honorable court.
yes, 73,000 is stayed, but
Stayed.
the rest is to be
Yes,
proceeded.
rest
24,000 candidate. In respect of 24,000 candidate,
Uh,
my lord has directed to
Lordship,
publish
let me
their
24,000, your Lordship directed to conclude the counseling process. Means already panel has been published. We have to conduct the counseling and recommendation will be issued. This is the process. And after recommendation, entire process conclude. Now, Lordship, when we start the recommendation, the counseling, this order of this Honorable Supreme Court passed one after another writ petition filed. And that all these documents we have annexed in this clarification application.
Tell me one thing, if the 24,000 teachers list is there with you,
Yes,
Group C, Group D, my lord.
whatever,
Non-teaching staff.
the list is there
yes,
and they will be recommended to some madrasa.
yes.
You say there are teachers,
No, non-teaching staff.
Teaching-
We are
teaching
not
staff,
concerned.
employees, in whose favor the Supreme Court has passed restraint order.
Yes,
There may be other madrasas also where seats are vacant.
yes.
You can always recommend these
Rest of
20
the madrasa.
other madrasas are
Now,
there.
Lordship, what happened? As on 6 December 2024, we got 9 posts, 10 posts of Group D, which is in the final vacancy, included in the final vacancy of Group present writ petition. Now, Lordship, they are under consideration for the Honorable Supreme Court. Now, day by day, Lordship, writ petition being filed one by another
Before the Supreme Court.
before the Supreme Court under Article 32 of the Constitution of
Yes.
India. Now, Lordship, the Honorable Supreme Court has, Lordship, passing the same interim order which was passed in earlier order. So Lordship, this is very difficult to us. Which are the under before the Honorable Supreme Court?
You must be having records of which of the madrasas
No, Lordship,
are
as on 6th December, because all writ petitions are not served
filed
to
on
the
the same day.
same
and
day,
they-
and Lordship, Lordship, there are the different branch of lawyer, this set of lawyers. Lordship, all
Your
us.
authority is the same. The lawyers may be different,
Lordship,
but the instructing
Problem is,
authority
Lordship,
is the
the writ
same.
petitions are not served to the Madrasa Service Commission, Lordship, in the present.
Without service of copy, orders are being obtained, and the Madrasa Service Commission doesn't know.
No, their lawyers are getting, Lordship, the service.
But then the lawyer should communicate it to the
But
client.
this will have to check. It will take some times, but these madrasas which are not under consideration before the Supreme Court, there is no but to comply the order of the.
Yes.
Yes, that is
Comply
correct. That is correct.
But in the writ petition, my lord, in our
Sir, Lordship, I required, so Lordship, we filed an application. This application can
but
form.
in our writ petition, which is pending before this, the honorable coordinator bench, as well as before my lord, we have challenged the entire selection on the ground, my lord. They do not have
24,000 plus 73,000.
73,000 as well as 24,000. Entire selection.
Does the 73,000 include the 24,000?
No,
It's separate. So 24 separate, 73 separate.
73,000. My lord, we have challenged on the ground, my lord. They do not have the, my lord, any data, my lord. Since we have sought for, my lord, under RTI, my lord, certain documents, they are not providing such documents, my lord. But we have challenged,
Which document do you
my
want?
lord, the answer sheet, Weimar, we have sought. They are against that, since they did not provide any document, my lord. Against that, we prefer first appeal, and before the second appeal also we have preferred, my lord. But till date, my lord, no reply has been given, my lord. That's why, since the entire selection is under challenge, my lord, and the honorable coordinate bench has directed not to proceed any further, my lord, in terms of 5th September, and that was extended till 31st January, my lord.
But 5th September was with regard to the 70,000 new candidates.
New candidates.
With regard 24,000, there is no stay order or restraint order.
No, not to proceed any further, my lord. Kindly seize the order, my lord.
Consider this order and pass in due order.
Not to proceed any further, my lord. The order has been passed, my lord. Not to proceed any further in terms of, my lord, the notification dated 5th.
Proceed any further. Fifth notification is concerning only 73,000, not the others.
Lordship,
But, my lord, we have also, my lord, the entire selection we have challenged, my lord. If any order is passed, my lord, directing that authority, my lord, to, my lord, the
Are
contact
you
the
there in the list?
in the 24,000 list, my name is appearing, my lord.
If the 24,000 is proceeded, how are you aggrieved?
No, my lord, we have not been called for, my lord, the personality test, my lord. The list has been published, my lord. But they are going.
Success, not only the petitioner. All petitioners are success.
That's why, my lord, we have challenged the entire selection process before, lord.
Comes in the zone of the Lordship,
They-
who was called for the personality.
Lordship,
Not a single petition.
Lordship,
Had they been called in the personality test, had they been called, that means they would have been successful. They have come here to stall. The court can understand that this is the reason.
Even
But
Lordship,
then
I appreciate one thing. Suppose, Lordship, the 73,000 notification is cancelled by your Lordship. That's why I admit. 73,000 cancelled. Now what remains? 24,000. That is valid. Now within 24,000, 3,300 persons have been called in the personality. So Lordship, there are shortage of 50 teachers according to the final vacancy. 51 teachers. 51 teachers, if we include, even Lordship, we have to, Lordship, called from the personality test list.
70.
So none of the petitioners from item number neither 14th, neither 16th are petitions pending before the Honorable another court. None of the petitioners could come within the zone of the list of the personality. None of the petitioners.
Lordship, I have filed an intervener application, Your Lordship.
who are you now? Who are you?
I am a successful candidate from 73,000.
Oh, that is different
No,
issue.
Different.
Is the- I-
Not to be acted upon, Lordship injunction is there.
Sir,
5th of August 2024 notification should not be acted.
I have a successful candidate on that
Bolun.
at that time. After that, after qualifying the screening test, we have not participated in the written test. That for the some technical issues from the responding authorities.
Are you aware there is a status quo order, restraint order to proceed any further with the appointment of the 73,000 candidates?
The last order 25th of November by Your Lordship.
Check up, there must be orders.
Yes, Lordship.
by this bench and other benches also.
Yes, also, I am praying in this application, Your Lordship, for vacating this order on the regate. I want to submitting something on behalf of us because from the depriving us to participating in this counseling process. Your Lordship, at first we concerned about our appointment. Your Lordship, on 15th of August, on my CAN applications, page number 29, where I am annexed the notifications of Madrasa Service Commissions, where they issued a notice that they have allowed the 73,978 candidates to allow us to retain examination in the retain examinations. And thereafter, I have annexed in the C2, Annex C2, the updations of the details of
To allow your prayer, the court requires hearing.
add as a part.
Today, it is impossible. Right? So do not make any further submission.
Lordship's order 25th November 2024. Lordship, kindly page 30, you have quoted the order. Lordship directed Madrasa Commission shall proceed to conclude the selection for the year 2010 without taking a fresh written test in respect of any other candidate in terms of notice dated 5th August. That is the Lordship's order. Justice Randall, division bench order.
Taken in the
না না এটা তো
Of course, we are not at fault, madam.
I think this order of 25th of November can be complied with by your clients. There is no embargo.
Yes,
The
this order,
Supreme
if you
Court-
want Lordship, kindly proceed further. Will kindly come to page 30 itself. Kindly come to page 30 itself. West Bengal Madrasa Commission started the process to comply with the Solemn Order 25/11/24, passed in connection with the Eastern Division and intimated the respective Madrasa authority having report vacancy of Group D, whether there is
Where you have the reported vacancy and where there is no intervening order from the Honorable Supreme Court, you can give appointment over there.
10 vacancies are, my lord, are subject matter of Supreme Court's injunction.
Keep those aside.
Lordship,
Barring
I
those
kindly
10.
pass an order to the because other hundreds of matter petitions are pending by different group C staff
Yes.
who are before the Supreme Court and issue is sub judice in January it is fixed or February it is fixed.
Yes.
I have a party there.
Right.
But Lordship will kindly expressly say, irrespective of whatever is pending, kindly allow us to give
Not
appointment.
irrespective of whatever is pending. In respect of the madrasas, where there is order of the Supreme Court, barring those aside, yes, barring those aside, the madrasas which are not subject matter of challenge before the Supreme Court, you can proceed with
Well,
the
subject
appointment.
matter of challenge before the Supreme Court is, you do not know, entire lock stock barrel has gone there because
No, only 10.
not only 10 injunction has been granted, others are, my lord, waiting. Writ petitions have been filed because the three judges, 3-man committee that was Justice Devi Prasad Rai's committee, my lord, that judgment itself, my lord, has set aside the entire appointments. And against that, my lord, Supreme Court was moved, challenging the said order. And Supreme Court in that matter, my lord, has already passed order and do not interfere with regard to some persons, my lord, who are before the Supreme Court.
Yes.
And repeat, and
Barring
follow-up-
those persons, you can proceed.
and follow-up writ petitions are there pending. And
Till
those-
order is passed by the Supreme Court, will you sit tight? That there is no order, I will not act.
No, I have not done that.
Then
But let us not be, my lord, be confused by any order of Supreme Court that why did you interfere when the matter is sub judice? Why did you fill up the vacancy?
there is no order.
But sub judice is there. Supreme Court is in session of the matter. Whether, my lord, we can do this or not. That is the, my lord, confusion. We are wanting a clarification from your lordship.
Are you aware 24,000? Are you aware? Are you aware of any such matter where there is a blanket order of injunction in regarding appointment?
Before this honorable court.
Supreme Court.
Yes, but that with regard to that engagement, not to disturb their service.
That is separate. Only 10 madrasas are there. Like
There,
that.
but there are
Apart from that, there
but
is
there are
nothing.
series of matters, my lord, which they have also annexed, my lord, in the their affidavit application, my lord. There are a series of matters are pending at the instance of the assistant teachers as well as the non-teaching staff, my lord. And the list which have been published by the personal for the purpose of personality test, it also includes, my lord, the list of that out of that 73,000 and also 24,000, my lord.
You were nowhere in the list.
No, my lord, my name had appeared, my lord. I appeared in respect of
First
24,000.
selection process, your name was there, but thereafter you could not proceed. It is not that whoever appears in an examination becomes successful.
No,
You
my
have
lord.
to accept that.
But,
No,
but
my
we have challenged that the entire selection on the ground, they do not have any record, my lord. We have sought for any document, my lord. But they have, my lord, there is a direction for affidavits, my lord. In that matter, my lord, they have used an affidavit. We have been directed to file them or counter affidavit to,
Which matter?
my lord, pending before the honorable coordinate bench, my lord.
In that case, I'll simply adjourn the matter. I'll not pass any orders. If that be in sync with the orders passed by the other coordinate benches, then I'll just
Sir,
adjourn.
kindly seize, my lord. My lord, kindly
But
seize
they
the
are
order.
underqualified.
Ekটু my lord কে দিন না এটা।
Qualified in appearing in the personality.
But the entire selection I have challenged, my lord. একটু my lord কে দিন না। একটু এটা my lord কে দিন।
24,000 matlab they are disqualified.
But they
This order was shown to me on the last occasion.
and the last order, my lord, kindly seize, my lord.
14th, 13th of December.
Yes, my lord. It is also further submitted that the
Does this bench have regular determination? to
no, my
take
lord,
up
the matter has been assigned before the honorable coordinate bench, my lord. It is an assigned matter. Before.
That one is also assigned. This
Yes,
is
my lord.
also assigned.
Since, my lord, my
If
lord,
only
what
one bench hears it,
what
then it
is-
becomes easy.
yes, my lord.
Otherwise,
What is
separate
that's why,
court.
my lord, interim orders are expiring, my lord. That why, perhaps, my lord, that has been, those matters have been assigned before that honorable.
Assigned only for the purpose of extension of interim order.
There.
Then
Since-
for what reason? 21918.
These
21918.
two
does
matters
not-
have been assigned, my lord,
Affidavits have been exchanged. We are of filed our opposition.
and we have been
No,
directed.
I understand.
তাহলে আমরা ওখানে প্রে করতে পারি যে এখানে চলে আসার জন্য।
Please come. Where is the application for clarification? Number
Can 4, my lord.
can 4. This is can 5, isn't it? Can 5.
না, না।
Can 4 টা এখানে আছে?
ও
Can 3. Can 4. Acha. An application for clarification and / or modification of the order passed by this bench on 25th November 2024 has been filed by the Commission. Uh, list the same for consideration on 10th of January 2025.
Your Lordship,
Parties shall come ready for hearing.
great.
Your Lordship, 21 is the same matter. Your Lordship, kindly tag with
Supreme Court has fixed it on 17.
17 the matter is fixed, my lord.
In that case, I'll post it thereafter. 31st of January.
Great.
Your Lordship, item number 21, Your Lordship, the same matter. It's the where for the 73,000.
21, the Commission, are you aware? Item 21. Not same as. এখানে তো any application নেই.
The where
Let the
successful,
matter
where
appear
successful
in
candidate
the
from
list on
the
31st
list of 73,000.
With
No, it is
WPA
60,000,
16197/2024. Item number 14. 14 na sorry, এটা 15. 21918 of 24. 21918 of 2024. Yes, 21 will appear along with this.
One application I had filed for admin as a partner because I'm among the 70,000.
What is the CAN number? In
Number is 6,
and WP number?
number 21918.
Yes. CAN 6 is already there in the list.
But it has not been served yet, my lord.
Serve.
আমাদের কথা item 16
Serve copies. Please ensure service.
Great.
এগুলো ফেরত দিয়ে দিন যে দিয়েছে।
দাদা 21টা নিয়ে নেবেন।
30 fixed matter. 230 fixed matter.
Yes, I'll take up. 16. 15 and 16 same. Very well. List the matter on. Just list the matter on 31st of January. Along with that matter.
16th also same, as well as 21.
Yes, same order is being passed. 17.
No, 17.
17. Where is the petitioner in 17?
Kindly see the last one.